now we're gonna drop the engine, because if you remember from the old episodes, it's not running, and there's a wasp here. So should I flame it with this? Is that a bad idea? What if the whole engine bay catches on fire? Is it a bad idea? I need your advice.
I mean, I say go for it.
Oh, oh! Bad idea.
Oh, there's like...
Heard somebody needed to fix a bus today.
So with a little bit of movie magic, we decided to get the bus in the garage because working on it outside seemed like a hassle. And also movie magic, I've removed some of the tin. Actually, I've removed everything: the carburetor, tin, battery, muffler, exhaust. I've removed all of it, and now it's time for some teamwork. Drop your jerky. And we're gonna drop this bad boy. We're gonna go ahead and take off this mustache bar. Mustache bar. Hey, you think this thing's got enough torque to be untorquing that whole torqued up thing? Find out. Dang it. Get me the short 13. Old fashioned Ooga Doogas in here. So often you have to sweep the rust out. If not, you're just laying on a pile of rust. And make sure not to sweep your nuts out. Funny. I need a 17 millimeter. Gotta go get a tool, steal it from my dad. If you're watching this, Abu, promise I'll bring your tools back. So what we're doing here is we're loosening the lower motor mounts, and then once they're loose, we're gonna go ahead and put the jack under it, and then take out the top ones. And in theory, the engine should just come right out. If you want to see all the details, I'll put a link to the video where I dropped the engine, the other video. I actually watched it in order to get ideas for how to not mess up on this one. And then here, if you take a close look, now once it's good and tight, in theory, you should be able to just loosen it out. It looks like, wait a second, I might have gotten lucky. I got lucky. And that's how you remove a lower engine stud. One of the beautiful things about having your own garage is having your own tools, and or stealing tools from your dad and putting them in your garage and calling them your tools, which means the same thing to me really, but to him not so much. Thankfully, he's my biggest fan, so he doesn't mind.
Uh-huh.
How does it feel?
That's easy peasy.
Peasy peasy?
Easy peasy. Honey,
What?
how do I get that out?
Why are you laughing?
Dirty joke.
Probably do this with your finger, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why does it always feel like something's still holding? Oh no, that's sliding right out. Now we gotta check for the input shaft. It's just about cleared. Input shaft has cleared, even though you can't tell what you're looking at. What you're looking at is a pretty woman walking down the street. All right, so the trick is you gotta lower it a tiny bit, just enough to get this oil filler neck out of the way, but not too much. If you lower it too much, you bend your input shaft. And no one likes, oh! There we go. No one likes a bent shaft. Oh God, what's happened here? Oh. Stupid thing is holding it up. Not anymore. Hallelujah. Cue the music. Only got a few little nicks on there. That's okay. That's okay. If you're liking what you're watching so far, then make sure to hit the like button. This channel's dying, and if you hit the like button, it might come back to life. So if you're liking the videos coming back often, like, but most importantly, comment. Comment anything. Anything, literally just the word anything. If you comment the word anything, I would love you.
I was like, what, we should do something.
What should we do?
If we get, how many anythings?
If we get 5 anythings, 5, in the next video, I'll shave my mustache. And I love this thing, right?
He does. No, what would you do?
Just shave?
Would you do a regular mustache?
No.
Mustache.
I'm gonna have to bleep that.
Yeah. Shit, what would you call that? What is it?
Charlie Chaplin.
We'll do a Charlie Chaplin.
Anyways, back to the video. To facilitate engine teardown, we're gonna need an engine stand to harbor freight and burgers. Put on your seatbelt, honey. You know we keep it safe in here. So we're thinking about completely bringing the channel back, which means it's videos. Yeah. Burger. Here we are, good old Harbor Freight. I just saw your reflection in the window. I was like, damn, there's a cute girl in there.
Liar.
I don't know where I'm going. So in reality, she's not only cuter and skinnier than me, she's taller than me. But I've got these bazungas. Go back and tear down that engine, and you're gonna see what's wrong with her. Thermometer. Why is this so many parts? All right, so the dilemma now is we have the engine standified, but we have to find a way to put the engine on here. Now I have devised an idea in my head, and it involves my muscles. My idea is I lift it. So hey! So, the first step, what the heck is going on in there? First step is lifting it from here onto there. This might not work. I'm figuring something out here. It's pretty genius. Oh my lord, this is wobbly.
I'm holding it.
Because my father love. What's the worst that could happen? The engine falls? So if y'all remember from the episode. All right, stop. Not good. There was no compression on this cylinder. And now we're about to find out why. Maybe. Now remember, Vangabonders, if you like that video, make sure to hit the like button down below. And if you'd like to know what we saw when we pulled off the head, check in on that next video, right? Every single comment that you guys leave helps the algorithm, which helps us. And we're starving, even though we ate that delicious burger. So please leave a comment saying anything. Anything at all. We'll be back.